high calories, dipping sugar syrup. This dough is special. थोड़ी और मेहनत करें तो क्या आ जाएगा?
हेलीकॉप्टर भी आ जाएगा।
And here you see there are 5 kgs of the Gratto jalebi is being delivered to that customer. I'm gonna give you the review of Gratto jalebi today. Jalebi is a pretzel-like sweet in Pakistan. The common name is jalebi. It carries 300 calories in 100 gram with 13% fat, 82% carbs and only 5% protein. I believe if you eat 100 gram of it, it will never gonna kill you. And there are basically 3 types of pretzel. The one I never knew, this is Gratto jalebi, and there are other 2. One is made by adding orange food color in this, and one is made with the simple fluffy dough. But this one here is very special in Pakistan. I have only seen this in Rawalpindi and I haven't heard of it anywhere else. This is great brown Gratto Pakistani jalebi. This man has created a unique algorithm of making jalebi. You will see him frying and later on he will put his cloth back into that bowl, and similarly he would fill it with the dough, and in the meantime that jalebi is fried and he flips the side for that. See here, this cloth is sitting right here, and after a little while he shall fill it with the dough, this fluffy dough, and similarly look here, dough is being filled here and there it goes. It is ready for the next time. It looks like an algorithm he has created, and he has been making this jalebi for so long. And this is not just the saying. I often pass by here and Mr. Umair is making this unique Gratto jalebi that is so rich in color, rich brown color, and this white dough is converted into the final product, and you will never find this man sitting free, and you will always find this Gratto jalebi fresh because so many customers are waiting here. They are all waiting. As soon as it is out of the sugar syrup, it is ready to be served. Just look here, and in a little while we shall have a little chit chat with Mr. Umair. You see, these pieces will be picked up shortly and they will dip it in the sugar syrup. And this man here, he is sitting ready always have a cloth on his wearings to save his clothes. Look here, and there is the ready bowl filled with this dough. Dipped in sugar syrup, and here it comes out and ready to be served. There are so many shops and so many people, they are selling this jalebi with the same name and same shape and size, but these people are not genuine. The one shop that created the recipe is the one we are showing you the video of. Dear people, if you ever come to Pakistan, you will have to wait in such a long queue to eat the Gratto jalebi, as these people have been making this jalebi for a long time, and that is 1983. There are so many men, so hardworking and so nice in Pakistan, that you will see them running the businesses like these. Here on Gratto jalebi, this is the main man. जी भाई अपना नाम बताएं प्लीज़।
जी मेरा नाम मोहम्मद उमैर है।
तो उमैर भाई आप ये काम कब से कर रहे हैं?
मैं सन 2006 से ये काम कर रहा हूँ, उससे पहले वालिद साहब होते थे।
तो वालिद साहब ने कब से किया और कब तक? वैसे तो हमने देख लिया है कि 1983 लिखा हुआ आपने बाहर।
ये वालिद साहब ने 1983 में काम शुरू किया था, ये वाला इधर ही।
1983 में?
हाँ जी। फिर 2006 में मैं आ गया था वालिद।
ठीक है। और 2006 से अब तक मतलब आपको 18 साल हो गए?
हाँ जी।
तो आप बताएं कि पाकिस्तानी यहाँ पिंडी या इस्लामाबाद यहाँ सारी यूथ को आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? मैं तो आपसे ये सुनने के लिए बेताब हूँ, आप क्या मैसेज देंगे काम के बारे में, मेहनत के बारे में? 18 साल से आप बैठे हैं और मुझे ठीक ठाक गर्मी महसूस हो रही है यहाँ पे बैठे हुए, बताएं कुछ।
भाई जी काम कोई भी हो, अगर आपको लगन है कि आप कर सकते हो, उसको मेहनत करो, ईमानदारी से करो, तो आपको सब कुछ मिलता है।
सब कुछ मिलता है?
हाँ।
क्या क्या मिलता है?
अब आप कहोगे मैं
गाड़ी मिलेगी,
सब कुछ मिलेगा जी।
आईफोन मिलेगा?
आईफोन भी मिलेगा।
अच्छा, तो
थोड़ी
व्यूअर
और
ये और
थोड़ी और मेहनत करोगे तो एक हेलीकॉप्टर भी आ जाएगा।
थोड़ी और मेहनत करें तो क्या आ जाएगा?
हेलीकॉप्टर भी आ जाएगा।
हेलीकॉप्टर भी आ जाएगा। तो व्यूअर ये बेसिकली मकसद है मेरे चैनल का, मेरे काम का भी ये मकसद है कि मैं आपको और यूथ को इस चीज़ के ऊपर गाइड करूँ कि देयर इज़ नो शॉर्टकट इन लाइफ। आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, बहुत सख्त मेहनत करनी पड़ती है। इनको देख लें, 18 साल से यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं, मज़ीद दिल कर रहा है कुछ और गपशप लगाने का उमैर भाई से। अच्छा, और ये जो आपने ये पीछे लिखवा के लगाया हुआ है वो वाला इधर लेके आए ना, रिज़्क जो अल्लाह ने तेरे मुकद्दर में लिख दिया है, इधर भाई को दिखाएं ज़रा, इधर लेके आओ, इधर इधर। अच्छा, तो होता ऐसे है कि जो बातें हम कह नहीं ना सकते वो अक्सर हम लिखवा के लगवा लेते हैं। बहुत अरसे तक मैंने भी इस चीज़ को नहीं देखा, बहुत अरसे से मैं आ रहा हूँ। और इसके बारे में बताएं कुछ।
मैंने वही तो कहा है कि कोई भी काम है ईमानदारी के साथ करो, लगन के साथ करो, सब कुछ मिलता है आपको। जो चीज़ आपके मुकद्दर में लिख दी है वो कोई नहीं छीन सकता।
कोई भी नहीं छीन सकता आपका रिज़्क, कोई भी नहीं छीन सकता। एंड बिसाइड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, नाउ आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट दिस ग्राटो जलेबी इज़ नॉट ओनली गुड फॉर ईटिंग, दिस कैन बी यूज्ड विद बॉइलिंग मिल्क, एंड द रेसलर्स इन सबकॉन्टिनेंट हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस jalebi with milk for a long time, and this is a very healthy eating recipe in the winter. Tomorrow I shall show you how to use it with the boiling milk and how you can savor this, and you will never shut tight the plastic bag, you will keep it like this. For making doodh jalebi, you see here is another setup. This man makes perfect colorless Punjabi jalebi, and here is the boiling milk. I will show you how to enjoy Grato doodh jalebi today, and this jalebi is particularly served in traditional bowls like these. Look at this one with a desert tablespoon and this perfect traditional bowl. This was our Grato jalebi purchased yesterday, and luckily I had a haircut today. So this is what you see. This is Grato jalebi, and I shall put it into the boiling milk. Here it comes, and this bowl should be very tasty, as I told you yesterday. So this is Grato jalebi, and it is a day old. We had it last evening from Grato jalebi, main Murray Road, Rawalpindi. And here comes the comparison. The other bowl, we shall make it with the Punjabi jalebi. Here it is. You see, this is thin, very thin, and it is colorless. Here this goes into the milk, and in local language, लो जी बन गई पहलवाना दी खुराक. I will taste one of these and I will tell you. Basically, I'm gonna give you the review of Grato jalebi today. Still very crispy. And what normally Desi people do, you have the bowl and have some milk. ਆਏ ਮਜ਼ੇ ਆ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਭਲਵਾਨ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ, ਔਰ ਇਹ ਦੁੱਧ ਜਲੇਬੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਡੀਅਰ ਵਿਊਅਰਸ, ਆਈ ਇਨਵਾਈਟ ਯੂ ਟੂ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਐਂਡ ਹੈਵ these excellent treats here in Pakistan. Colorless dough, and you can see the difference here. Same process as you saw in making of Grato jalebi. Making Punjabi style colorless jalebi is very difficult, as you have to make it very thin. The Grato jalebi is really very fat and heavy type jalebi, but this jalebi is very special. This is the third and last type of jalebi made in Pakistan. The dough is orange colored, and this man has been making jalebi for over 40 years here at this spot now. Mr. Mujahid has created another business setup right over there, and this very crossroad is known as Jalebi Chowk as well. And you can see when he is doing his job, he does that really vigorously, and he is a legend himself in making this orange color jalebi in Pakistan.